Good morning students. Welcome back to our class. Now I will explain some more problems related to our properties of whole numbers. Okay. See, 8 into 273 into 125. We have to find out this product. Okay. So options they have given. So see how we will use properties on whole numbers, that is additive properties on whole numbers, multiplicative properties on whole numbers. All these properties we will apply here. Without doing any big calculation, we will solve our problems. Okay, so 8 into 273 into 125. So according to our commutative property, what we have learned? So according to our commutative property, okay, what we have learned? A. So this is multiplication, right? So A into B equal to B into A. So what is this one? Commutative property. Commutative property. So what it is saying? A into B equal to B into A. So we can exchange both the numbers. Either we can multiply A into B or we can multiply B into A. In both the times we will get same number. The result is same. So what they have given here? So given that, so 8 into 273 into 125. Now I am applying commutative property here. I am exchanging this one. 273. I am writing 80 here. Okay. 8 into 125. So if you think, if you assume this one, A into B. So I am writing B into A. That means 273 into 8. Okay. Exchanging this one. So now see. Why? Because we are writing this one to simplify our calculation. To do lengthy calculation, I am simplifying this one by writing this one. Or why? See here. So 8 into 125. So 125 into 8. See. 8 5s 40. 8 2s 16 plus 4 20. 8 1s 8 plus 2 1000. You got 1000 here. Now see. Simple. 273. One time. Remaining of zeros. So no need to do all these big numbers calculation. If you find out any any multiples of 5s or any multiples of 10, if you convert into multiples of 10 or multiples of 5, your calculation will be easier. Here I am converting this one into multiples of 10. Okay, that means 125 into 8. If you convert this one, if you multiply this one, you will get here 1000. So by doing this one first, you are doing simple way. Your calculation is simple. Instead of doing all these things, 125 into 273, after that if you multiply with that, so lengthy, your problem will be lengthy. So to cut short our process, here we are applying rules, that is properties of whole numbers. Commutative property, here we are applying. Okay. Next, see the second one. 4 into 346 into 25. This is also same. Here also we can, this is multiple of 5. So we can convert this one by using commutative property. Here also we can exchange numbers here. See 11th one. What given? Given that, what they have given here? 4 into 346 into 25. Here also, so if you observe here 25. 25 into 4. What? So 100. Okay. So in simple way, if you find out this one, any numbers give you, if you multiply any two numbers, it will give any multiples of 10 or multiples of 5. That we have to check first. Okay. So here if you do 25 into 4, you are getting 100. So simply by multiplying with 100 this one, your calculation will be easier. In one step you can get that one. Here also I am applying commutative property of whole numbers. So if you think that one AB, so I am converting, see B. I am converting these two. Okay. So by commutative long. So I am exchanging 346 into 4 I am writing here. After that this 25 as it is. Okay. So 346 as it is. First I am doing this multiplication. So you get here 1000. Okay. So now see 346 one time, remaining 2 zeros. Okay. So you got in one step you got the answer instead of doing lengthy multiplication. Okay. 34,600. Where it is? 34,600. Okay. Now see the next one. 13,729 into 93 plus 13,729 into 7. So this is also lengthy multiplication. This one also we will simplify. This one by applying properties of multiplication. What is the given? Given that 13,729 into 93 plus 13,729 into 7. That is they have given here. If you observe here multiplication, here plus. By observing this one, clearly we can say that this is distributive law of multiplication over addition. What is that one? According to distributive law of multiplication over addition. What is it saying? A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. You can multiply individually. Okay. Okay. So this is distributive law of multiplication over addition. So I am applying this one here. If you observe here, A into B, A into C. So A into B, A into C. Okay. So here like this they have given here. So I can take this A as common into, I can write B plus C. See this one. So I am taking A as common. 13,729 I am taking common. Remaining 93, 7. 93 plus 7. Okay. So by applying this rule, this property here, I am converting like this. Now see 13,729 into bracket means into. Okay. 93 plus 7. How much? 100. Now see. So one time 13,729 remaining 2 zeros. How much here? 13,72,900. This is your answer. 13,72,900. This is your answer. Okay. Okay. So in the next class we will see some more problems. Okay.